Alright, Danny Hayasaka here with Call One Inc. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this flippin' Samsung Flip together for you guys. So let's put it together. Alright, so normally you notice when I do unboxings I never look at instruction guides because, you know, headsets are headsets and we can figure those out. I've been doing that forever. But for this thing, yeah, check it. I'm going to read through this thing so that we can put this thing together properly. You do it too. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching Chris and I set this thing up. Again, I'm going to stress it's a two-person job at least to get this thing set up, but it was super easy, super intuitive. I didn't really read the instructions except for, you know, where to put the screws and things. But outside of that, I mean, once we plugged it in and turned it on, we just went through a series of, you know, punching in our Wi-Fi password, and then we were kind of connected and kind of just been messing around. So what we're going to do next is really do a deep dive in terms of all the feature functionality this thing has, but this thing's flippin' awesome. Flippin' awesome. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, look at the description box below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much.